Pro-grade camera. Clicking breathtaking pictures is easy with this smartphone in your hand. You can click vibrant pictures with the help of this phone's 48MP camera. Want to capture the landscape around you? You can switch to the 12MP 123-degree ultra-wide camera. The 5MP macro lens camera lets you go as close as 4 cm to capture the most minute details. Want to capture memories with your buddies? The 32MP front camera will help you click memories well. Flawless video. You can UOG without a worry. The smartphone. Vita Steady OIS. Lets you capture videos in UHD quality with gimbal-like stability. The Super Steady mode will help you capture videos smoothly and steadily. Live focus. You can capture the subject in full focus and blur the background while shooting with the help of the smartphone's Live Fierce video feature. Zoom in mic. It's all about the minute details that make your visual experience truly spectacular. The smartphone's zoom-in mic utilizes 3 microphones to target and enhance the sound when you zoom in and zoom out. Built-in video editing suite. Featuring a built-in video editing suite. The smartphone allows you to add captions, combine clips, and increase speed to help you make your personalized videos. Multitask on the go. Featuring 8GB of RAM and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SM8150 processor. The smartphone comes equipped for easy multitasking. Oh, and with an internal storage capacity of 128GB, expandable by up to 1TB. This phone comes with enough space for all your files. Game Booster. Get ready to game with minimal distractions on this smartphone. Thanks to the Game Booster feature, it will learn your usage patterns and optimize features such as the battery, temperature, and memory for a full-fledged gaming experience. Intelligent battery. Featuring a 4500 mAh all-day battery. The smartphone will keep you up and running for a long time. It also optimizes power consumption according to your usage pattern for optimized performance. The smartphone also supports super fast charging. So a charging time of 30 minutes is enough to ensure that your phone lasts for the day. Seamless connectivity. You can link the Windows app and bring your smartphone experience to your laptop. You can text, browse photos, use your phone apps, and do much more on your laptop itself. Multi-layer protection. Featuring the hardware-backed Knox security platform. The smartphone will keep your private data safe from malware and malicious attacks. Bixby enabled. The smartphone comes with Bixby, your intelligent assistant. You can assign keywords or phrases to make quick commands. Uninterrupted view. The smartphone's Infinity 016.95 cm, 6.7, Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus screen will pave the way for an enthralling visual treat. Oh! The edge-to-edge display comes with a built-in proximity sensor, light sensor, and on-screen fingerprint scanner for easy usage. True-to-life colors. Enjoy a cinematic visual experience, even when you are outside. Thanks to the smartphone's HDR10 Plus with rich color and contrast. Specifications. In the box. Handset. Non-removable battery included. Our phone's Type-C. Travel adapter. USB cable. User manual. Key features: 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, expandable up to 1 TB. 17.02 cm, 6.7-inch, Full HD Plus display. 48MP 12MP 5MP rear camera, 32MP front camera. 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, SM815O processor.